Good day everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to create animated wheel using HTML and CSS. Please do well to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. I'm using .animate. Inside it, I'll have a div called wheel. Going to my style. Let's remove default margin and padding. Block sizing. Border box. Let's view this page on the browser and see what we have. Of course, we are going to have blank page. So let's style the animate div. Animate. I'm giving it width of 300 pixels, height of 300 pixels, background. I want to use linear gradient, so I'll simply say linear gradient. I'm going to say add these colors, then I'll change the shade later. So okay, so let's go back and see what we have. This is it. I need to reduce the height and width. So coming here, I'm just going to give it, or before that, let's give it border radius of 50%. Okay, so let's reduce the height and width. I'm giving it 200. Okay, now for the inner div, I have wheel inside, so animate.wheel. So I'll give it width of 150 pixels, height 150 pixels, background color white. Right, so let's give it border radius of 50%. Now this is what we have, so we need it to come to the middle. To push it to the middle, I need to target animate the parent div and give it display flex, justify content center, align item center. So this will position it at the middle. So you see what we have now. Now let's target the parent div and animate it. So coming down, we are going to use at key frames. So the identifier we are using, let me just simply call it animate. It can be anything, you can call it any name. So they are targeting, say, from 0%. I'm using percentage 0%. So I'm just gonna give it two properties: background linear gradients. So I'll just say blue. Of course, I'll change the shade. So coming here, I'm going for pink first. After that, I'm going for light blue. Okay, then coming back again to pink, but lighter pink. All right, so now let's do this. I'm going to duplicate this, taking this down 1 2 3. Okay, so I have 0%, 25%, 50%. So this one will be 75%. Then the last one will be, I'll say 100%. So for 100%, okay, let's start from 25. So I'm gonna change the shade to say yellow here. Then here I'm gonna have, let me leave it at this light blue. Okay, here I'm taking this, yeah, this color. Okay, so that's all. So this is it, but the animation, we've not applied the animation on this parent div. So we need to come to this place and give it animation. So we are going to, the name of the animation is animate. Then I'll see 0.5 seconds. This is the animation iteration count. Then the duration, I want it to be infinite, to happen infinitely. So it's what I have. It's rotating infinitely. It's not going to stop. It's not going to stop because I use the property infinite. Now the last thing I want to do now is I want to add rotation on this. So I want each of this percentage value here, I will add rotation to it. So I'm going to say transform rotate 0 degree, transform rotate 90 degrees. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this and duplicate. Okay, this is basically what we have now. So coming back, see, this is the result. I need to make a few changes here. Make this okay, let's push this to the middle, to the center of the screen. So I'll just go to target my body and give it display grid. So body of the page, display grid, place items, center. Okay, we need to give it height. So it's at the middle, but I want it to come down, so I can give it height. Say minimum height 80. I'm giving it 80 view height. Okay, so this is what we have now. Thank you so much for watching. Do wait to like, share and subscribe.